Hello everyone, how are you dear students? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Now again it's time for maths lecture. So student, let us begin. Students, as we are dealing with multiplication, you all know how to multiply one digit with one digit. See, 4 into 2. How to multiply this? 2 4s are 8. Simply by the table we will write. The next example, let's take 7 into 6. So by the table of 6 or 7, again you can do it. 6 sevens are 42. So you will write 42. Okay students, so you have done this kind of questions, or you know how to do how to multiply one digit by one digit. You have done in your previous class, second class. So now you are going to learn how to multiply two digit with one digit. So let's take an example. Let's understand with the example. So 34 into 2. So let's understand how to multiply two digits by one digit with the help of this example. So this is ones place and this is tens place. Okay. So first of all, like every operation, from where we start from ones place. So here also we'll start from ones place, then we'll move to tens place, and after tens, then if hundreds place is also there, then we'll move to hundreds place. So ones, then tens, and then hundreds. Be remember, first of all we'll multiply the number with ones, then we'll multiply the number with tens, and then if hundreds is also there, then we'll multiply with hundreds. Okay, so let's multiply with ones first. So 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. So we will write 8. Since we multiplied with ones, that is why we are writing below ones. Now we are done with ones column, moving towards tens. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Now we are dealing with tens column, so we will write below tens. As we were dealing with ones, so we written down and the answer below ones, and as we deal with the tens column, so we written down answer below tens. So 34 into 2 is equals to 68. Let's take one more example. 43 into 2. Again this is ones place and this is tens place. As we always start from where? We always start from ones place. Whatever the operation is, whether it is addition, subtraction or multiplication, we always start from ones place. Okay, so first we will multiply ones with ones. So 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. So we will write 6 as it is now. We are done with ones. It's done for tens. 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. So we will write 8 here. So 43 into 2 is equals to 86. This is also very simple. Let's take another example. Okay, so let's take one more example. Now, again dealing with ones first. 2 into 8. So 2 8s are 16. So 6 we will write in the ones column, and we will write 1 in the form of carry in tens column. Look at number 16. This is ones and this is tens. At ones place 6 is written there. At tens place 1 is written there. So what we did? We wrote this 6 in the column of ones, and we wrote this 1 in the column of tens in the form of carry, because 16 is having 1 10 and 6 ones. So we had written number of ones in 1 and tens in tens. Now, what next? Done with ones. Now turn for tens. 2 into 9. 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. And this one is also there. So we will add one more in the 18. We will add one more in the 18. So 18 plus 1 is 19. So we will write 19. So 98 into 2 is equals to 196. So students, this is how we can multiply two digits by one digit. If this is how we will do with regrouping and the earlier examples of without regrouping. Okay students, so now we know how to multiply two digits with one digit. So let's try some exercise questions. So let's start exercise 4.3 as we are done with exercise 4.2. Now moving further, today we will start exercise 4.3. So all of you write down the exercise number 4.3, exercise 4.3. Now question 1 is multiply the following. Question is multiply the following. So dear students, write down exercise number, then the question. Exercise 4.3 and question 1. Okay, so I hope you have written down the question. So let's start with part A. Part A is (97) multiplied by 2. So how we'll do it? First of all, we will multiply that one digit with ones place, then we'll multiply with tens place. So 2 into 7, 2 sevens are 14. This is the number 14. Number 14 is having 4 ones and 1 ten. So that 1 10 we will write here in the form of carry. Now we are done with ones. Tens for tens. 2 into 9. 2 nines are 18. 18 and this one of carry. So we'll add carry in whatever we will get after multiplying. We'll add the carry. Whether it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever the carry is, we will add in the result. So 18 plus 1 is 19. So we will write 19. So 97 into 2 is equals to 194. Next question. Okay, so the next question is 36 into 5. 36 into 5. So once again, first of all, we will multiply ones first, then we will multiply with tens. So 5 into 6. 5 into 6, 5 6 are 30. So 0 we will write here and 3 in the form of carry. 30, look at number 30. This is ones and this is tens. So the value of ones we will write in ones place and the value of tens we will write in tens place. Now 5 into 3. 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. And this carry we will add in whatever we will get after multiplying. So we got 15. So in the 15 we will add 3. So 15 plus 3 is 18. So we will write number 18 here. So 36 into 5 is equals to 118. Dear student, note down both the part A and B in your classwork copy properly. Dear students, you have noted down. Now let's move further. Part C. Let's move towards next question. Part C. Part C is 79 into 9. Part C is 79 into 9. So let's start with ones place. 9 into 9. 9 into 9 is 9 nines are 81. So look at number 81. Ones place. At ones place number 1 is there. So we will write 1. And at tens place number 8 is there. So we will write 8 in the form of carrying tens place. In the tens place 8 is there. So we will write 8 in the form of carrying tens place. Now 9 into 7. 9 sevens are 63 plus this carry 63 plus 8. So 63 plus add 8 in 63. 8 plus 3 11. Carry 1 and 6 and 1 is 7. So 71. So we will write 71. Or you can understand like this. We will write 1 here and 7 in the form of carry. See, no number is there. So we will write 7 as it is. Okay, students? In any manner, you can understand this. Okay, so the next question is question D. Question D is 21 into 4. Question D is okay, students. So once again, starting from the ones place, 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4. So we will write 4. Now 4 twos are 4 into 2. 4 twos are 8. So we will write 8. So 21 into 4 is equals to 84. So note down both the questions very properly in the classwork copy, dear students. Note down very properly, dear students. so I hope dear students you all have noted down now. Moving further. So question E. 56 into 7. 56 into 7. Again we'll start from where? We'll start from ones place. So 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42. So 2 we will write here and 4 we will write in the form of carrying in tens column. Okay. So now done with ones. It's turn for tens. 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 4, 39. So we will write 39. So 56 into 7 is equals to 392. Now the next question, part F. Part F is 81 into 4. 81 into 4. So 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4, so we will write 4. Now 4 into 8. 4 8s are 32. So we will write 32. So 81 into 4 is equals to 324. So note this down to dear students. I hope dear students you all have noted down. So this is all for today's lecture. We will meet in next lecture and complete the exercise. Till then, bye bye students. Stay home, stay safe and keep practicing.